In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add age restrictions on your Shopify store quickly and easily. This process is crucial for businesses that need to comply with legal requirements concerning the sale of age-sensitive products. So let's dive in and make your Shopify store safe and compliant. First, we'll start by heading to the Elfsight website. Here you'll go to My Apps, which is located on your dashboard. Now you'll find a section labeled Catalog. Click on it and you'll be shown a variety of widget options. Let's search for the age verification widget specifically. In the search bar at the top, type age verification and you should see an option titled Age Verification Best Seller. This is the one we want, so go ahead and click on it. After selecting the age verification widget, you'll see a range of templates offered by Elfsight. Browse through them and find the one that best suits your website's design and functionalities. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue with this template. As you move forward, you'll need to set the minimum age required for visitors to enter your site. This value depends on the legal stipulations for your product or service, like 18 or 21, depending on your jurisdiction and industry. After setting the age, choose a verification method. You may choose a date of birth input or a simple yes/no question, based on what feels more fitting for your customers. Next, you can personalize the content and appearance of the age verification pop-up. This customization allows you to maintain consistency with your brand's look and voice. For example, tweak the color scheme, adjust the messaging, or add your logo so that the pop-up feels like a natural part of your website. Having tailored the widget to your liking, it's time to publish it. Click on Publish to finalize the process. If you're using the free version of Elfsight, you'll see the necessary options to proceed. Once you're ready, select the free plan and continue by clicking Select. Now Elfsight will provide you with a code snippet. Simply click on Copy Code to keep it ready for the next stage. Let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store in the menu on the left. There, locate the three dots next to your theme and click on it, followed by Edit Code. In the search bar within the theme editor, type theme to locate the theme.liquid file. Open this file and then paste the code snippet you copied earlier. Make sure to paste it just above the closing tag to ensure it works correctly. Once you've done that, click on Save to apply your changes. After saving, click on Exit to return to the Shopify admin. Finally, view your store to ensure that the age verification pop-up is functioning as expected. You'll find it appearing as soon as someone visits your site, protecting your business and helping you adhere to legal requirements. And there you have it, a fully functioning age verification system on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.